All right, so we're here in Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania, looking at this house. Customer called in stating that there's some missing shingles. We've done some repairs here over the last couple years, a couple shingle repairs. So she called in wondering what it would cost to get a new roof. So today I'm gonna start inspecting and see where we land. So usually starting, I like to check the obvious, which in this case, the obvious is that the customer is missing a bunch of tabs. So this is a tab shingled roof. Sealant starts giving out. You have things like this happen where the tabs start breaking off due to high winds. And then we check things like the ridge. So I usually like to see what kind of ridge they have, identify the exact ridge. In this case, it's aluminum. So just seeing if this is loose anywhere, what that looks like. Also checking things like the pipes that come through the roof. So seeing if the gasket's degraded and just seeing the overall condition of the grit, the shingles, seeing what it looks like now. So I even check things out like the siding, so anywhere where the siding touches the roof. So areas along the dormers, all of these areas, making sure the J channel's tight, soffits, fascias, pretty much inspecting everything. In this case, you know, I'm starting to see a lot of evidence of it should be replaced. There's a lot of things missing. So you come over on this side here, there's a flat porch roof. Looks like, you can go down here and check that out, see what that's looking like. Typically I go in the attic space. In this situation, the customer's not here. If she were to sign on, I would do an inspection of the attic space prior to that happening. So after my evaluation of this property, I'm gonna provide a replacement quote and a repair quote. There's definitely issues that could be repaired, but some of the issues are just simpler to be done with the roof replacement. So just gonna give both those options and see where the customer lands with that. But as far as today, got my inspection all finished up and I'm confident in what I found.